Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the Microsoft Visio course. I'm Della, designer and digital marketer, and I have been teaching skill courses since 2013. In this course, I intend to teach you the Microsoft Visio 2021 software. Microsoft Visio is a part of the larger Microsoft Office family. This program is professionally designed for creating diagrams and flowcharts. It is also used for drawing various general, architectural, and engineering shapes. Therefore, with this software, you can create organizational charts, network and IT diagrams, mind maps, architectural maps, decision diagrams, product development and planning processes, electronical circuits, electrical systems, billing pipeline diagrams, and more, depending on your business needs. To date, 75 million individuals and 146,000 companies worldwide use this software. So, if you master this software, you can create professional flowcharts, diagrams, and maps, and easily display complex processes. By acquiring this skill, you can greatly assist your team in your work environment, make your boss happy, or even earn income as a freelancer. We will work on several projects together in this course, including decision diagrams, organizational diagrams, network diagrams, house plans, electronic circuit diagrams, and product sales charts. If you learn this version of the software, you can easily work with older and newer versions that will be produced in the future without any problem.